Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. Hello, if you are new, nice to meet you. I hope you consider subscribing. It would just mean the world to me. As you can tell by the title, I won a giveaway by a YouTuber. I'll link both of their channels down below and hopefully I can put them somewhere up in the screen. But I just wanted to do the unboxing for you. The last one I won was by Janet Bressy, I think I'm saying that right. I hope so, Janet, sorry. She's just a wonderful YouTuber. She does tons of eyeshadow and makeup looks, and they're always so beautiful. So go check her out. The next one is Renea. I hope I'm saying that right too. Renea Olivia by RENAE. And I'll put her last name down below. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. So I will put that down below too, and I'll of course link her channel and everything so you guys can check her out. She's a really great YouTuber she does really good content. She puts a lot of skincare videos up and things like that, and does a lot of giveaways too, which is amazing. I don't know how she does it, but she does. And I was the one that won her monthly giveaway. So I received the box some time ago. Here it is. It's huge. I received the box some time ago. I was just barely now able to have a chance to kind of film a little proper video. It's not going to be too long, but yeah. So if you guys are interested, that was a long, ridiculous intro. So anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got on my giveaway, please keep watching. Okay guys, I did open these two items. I still have the box because I put the items after I received the box back in them so I can do like a proper video, but I just couldn't resist, so I ended up by taking them out and trying to play with them a little bit. You'll see what I'm talking about. Was this beautiful throw right here, which I didn't know was two colors until I put it on. So here it is. Actually, well, it's a striped one. As you can see, it's like a light gray to a dark gray to a light gray. And it has like this fringe on each side. But it's just like a huge long throw. And let me tell you, it has been snowing on and off for the last couple days here in Colorado. So this is like freaking perfect. I just love it. It's super soft, super comfy. I love it so much. It was rolled up in this. So here's the brand if you guys are interested in checking this out right here. It is Mark & Graham. And then they also have their Instagram and all that kind of stuff if you guys want to check that out as well. Yeah, super comfy. It's come in handy because every morning I drive my kiddos to the bus stop. So just wrapping this around me in the morning and going is just like, yes. So yeah, love this guy. And it's pretty big too. I can definitely get away with using this as a scarf or something like that. So super happy about that. Thank you so much. I'm so thankful. I can't say thank you enough. I really appreciate it. Is this guy right here. It is by the brand. I think it's by the brand named Age 20s. I'm thinking it's like this line that they have called Age 20s, but I'm not sure what the brand would be unless I'm right and this is the brand's name. It's called Age 20s. It is a signature essence cover packed, and it says moisture, so it's for more dry skin, probably normal to dry, I'm guessing. I can't really read the box because it is in Japanese. I think that's Japanese. Sorry if I'm wrong. Oh, maybe it's Korean. It says made in Korea. It doesn't mean I guess it's Korean, but I'm guessing it's Japanese. I'm not sure. Webpage down below if you guys are interested in this. I don't know anything about it, and I looked at it and I was like, oh my god, it's so pretty. So yeah, I haven't used or anything like that, and I am going to use it. So I'm excited about that. And I was like, what the heck is an essence pack? It sounds so cool and interesting. So this is how it came right here in this package right here. You get two of these compacts. You get a refill, and then you get the actual compact. That's it with the bag. I love the box. It's so super cute and sleek. I love the packaging and everything, but look at this. Look at how pretty this is. It's got my fingerprints on it. I hate that. So, but look at how pretty that packaging is. It's so pretty, and it's a bigger compact. So push the little button, and then this comes up. I still haven't taken the film off the mirror, but you get a nice size mirror here, and it comes with this little puff right here. Oh yeah, I used it on my hand. There we go. I used it on my hand. I was so curious. I didn't want to put it on my face. I had full face of makeup when I got the box, but look at how pretty that is. How pretty is that? So I'm going to do a little switchy swatch here. It's really super creamy. That's what it looks like. And it kind of, it just melts into your skin and kind of absorbs really quickly. It is SPF 50, which is amazing. The higher the better, for especially for my skin. If I don't put on SPF, I start getting little spots that are kind of like exaggerated and everything. So I'm super happy about this. It comes with this little cover, and you can just pop this guy out right here. Boom. And then you can just refill it. I wonder if it would work with the other compacts, like different ones. I don't know. I'm going to take off this. I love peeling this off. That is a nice mirror. Hey. So yes, those are the 2 items I received from her. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you. I love your channel, and I will continue to support your channel. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, pretty much it was like she got in contact with me. I was on a cruise out in the middle of nowhere, so I didn't really know until I landed in more of like a U.S. property, U.S. territory, whatever, which was Puerto Rico. And I started to get all my messages and everything. But of course, you don't want to be attached to your phone when you're somewhere where you've never been. So I didn't really check my emails until we got back on the boat, because I took a cruise. We got back on the boat, and then I started just sitting down, reading all my messages and stuff, and I saw that she had contacted me for it, and I was like, oh no, I hope it's not too late. So yeah, if you guys want to know any information, and I will have, like I said, those items below if you're interested or at all curious about them. And I will also have Renea's channel down below if you guys want to subscribe. Don't forget to tell her that I sent you guys. I would really appreciate that. And then don't forget to watch out for my official 200 subscriber giveaway. Okay?